Hello, dear ladies and gentlemen. My name is Tatiana. I'm from Ukraine, but I live in Spain 3 years. I worked 7 years as a lab technician in the hospital in Ukraine, then 12 years as a cosmetologist in the clinics Ukraine and Spain. I love working with people and always try to make them feel comfortable and cared for. I admire Edelweiss for its quality, safety, and warm service. I want to be part of your team because I share these values. I believe I can contribute with excellent customer service and always being friendly, professional, and attentive to passengers' needs. I speak Russian, Ukrainian, and Spanish fluently and improving my English every day. I positive and fast learning. I adapt quickly to different situations and stay calm under the pressure. And good team player. Thank you for your opportunity. Thank you. Gracias.